guys, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So I am in middle of getting ready. I'm still not done with my lips, and in today's tutorial I want to show you guys how I get my lip done. So I perfectly contour them and it looks stunning in a way. So without further ado, I am going to be telling you about my favorite lip color these days and also how I apply the lipstick on my lips. So yeah, let's quickly start the video now. So the lipstick which I'll be using today is going to be Moisture Matte Long Stay lipsticks from Mama Earth. They have lipstick for all Indian skin tones and they're composed of avocado oil and vitamin E. I'm going to be swatching two of my favorite shades for you all. The first one is going to be cherry red and second one is going to be citrus nude. Also, these are going to be available on Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon and Mama Earth, and they also have their physical store available all across India. And Mama Earth has also launched its official application. Make sure that you check out the link in the description box below. Also, every time you place an order from there, they will link your order to the website to a tree that they plant. Also, if you use my code Ritu2023, you are gonna be getting extra 20% off. The lipstick are composed of avocado oil and vitamin E, which is gonna be helping in removing the pigmentation you have on the lips and also is gonna be moisturizing for your lips. The lipstick has 12-hour stay. It has 8-hour moisture lock. They're smudge proof, long lasting, hydrating and non-drying. So guys, right now I have a bit of lip balm on. So the first step is gonna be applying the concealer around your lips. So that is what I'm gonna be doing quickly. So now we are going to be blending it out using a sponge. Next thing is going to be finding the right lip liner. So this is going to be in the shade 07. I'll make sure that I give the product link in the description box below. So I'm just going to be lining the lip using the lip liner right now. Now lining is done. Just make sure that you fill the gaps in, okay, the one in the corner. Looks funny right now, but let me get done with this. So guys, the lipstick that I'm going to be using today is going to be from Mama Earth Moisture Matte. This is a long stay lipstick. I really love it. And the shade that I'm going to be using today is going to be Citrus Nude. Now it's a beautiful nude shade and I will be just filling in with this color. So with the help of a brush, I'm just going to be taking a bit and I'll try to fill it up because we do not need much in this. Now let's fill it up a bit. Now guys, we are done here and it has given such a beautiful ombre hue. I hope you can have a look at it. It's not too vibrant, it's not too subtle. Also, you can take any kind of nude lip color that you have at home and try doing it. Believe me, you're not gonna be disappointed. So this is the trick which I've been using these days and it is working really nicely for me. So I thought, why not give it a try and present this tutorial for you all. And yes, with that we are gonna be wrapping up today's video. My whole face is done, and if you want to see the tutorial of the base makeup and the eyes that I have done, I'll make sure that I leave the tutorial link in the description box below. And yeah, we are done here. I'll see you guys super soon. Also, make sure that you check out Mama Earth lipstick. The link is gonna be in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all so much.